Welcome back, everybody. Hopefully you're getting out and doing a little bit of fishing. One trick I like to use in fly selection is flies that have contrasting wire on the back half of the fly. When you have two different colors on the back of the fly, it creates the illusion of movement in the water. This is one of my favorites, and one of my favorite color combinations of red and blue. It's just a great all-around fly, it's a simple one to tie, and it catches a lot of fish. So get out there and have some fun. Tight lines, everyone.